Yes, there is a wonderful song I like from Brother Joel and Sounds of Salem, I believe. Yes.
Everybody say la 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 la. How Jesus proud. Say la 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 la. Say la 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 la. I will make Jesus proud. The nations are waiting, the people are hungry, the master is in need. So I pledge my allegiance to the one who has called me. I will make Jesus proud. Sing it out. The nations are waiting, the people are hungry.
So this was beautiful, my family. This is unity in the body of Christ. I'll meet you in the next one as always. If you want to watch the full video, you click the recommended video just below the description. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. God bless you.